Sorry for my voice. Anyways, hello guys. Today we are going to be pretending to be AFK as Flowery. That is my OC2. Welcome to Dream World. From somebody that I cannot. Okay, please don't mind the chat up there. I'll probably block it when somebody chat me. So anyways, we're probably gonna be AFK right here. Yeah. I forgot how to spell soul. Don't ask what oh geez, I forgot. Okay, we're gonna pause it here and wait until somebody does something interesting for once. Yeah, nobody is doing anything. That just looks like somebody from a show that I forgot the name of. So yeah, we're gonna end it here because everyone's boring in this piece of game. So yeah. Bye. Wait, hold on.